welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing two things. I am opening up the December Glossybox and I'm doing a giveaway. So stay tuned for the details. I used to be a Glossybox member before I started YouTubing, and I actually had Glossy credit. I got credit because when you get Glossybox and you answer little surveys, your points and adds up to money. And in one of my previous Glossyboxes, I had a broken item. So Glossybox refunded me for the full cost of a box. So I am finally spending my Glossy credit, and it was probably about 8-9 months ago when I got it. So here we go. First thing about Glossybox is their boxes. This is the prettiest box I've ever seen in a subscription box. I am not kidding around. This one says the best time of the year. I am going to use this to hold all my little paper craft goodies as soon as I empty this out. That's what it's going for. I already opened it and looked at it. And by the way, I got this for $16 with my credit. And I'll give you a code. They're having, it's open to everybody. I'll put the code down below where you can get your first box for $16 as well. Comes with the pamphlet, best time of the year. So I'll refer to that as I open everything. There's really pretty ribbon and wrapping paper on it. So the first thing in the box is an Adaptogen Deep Moisturizing Cream. This is not a full size. This is a mini, and it is worth or valued at $18 for a little mini cream. That's very pricey. I certainly wouldn't spend $18 for a mini cream, but that's why you get subscription boxes, because it really is mini. So I'm interested in trying that. And then the next item, kind of a similar size, is by Christopher Robin. This is a hair scalp scrub, which I've actually been using a similar product in my Kinder box. This is also a mini. They call it a deluxe mini, and it values for $8.48 for that deluxe mini. Okie dokie. Got your coffee scrub. You can scrub your whole body with this. This is a one-time use type of coffee scrub. I've used these in the past. It's great for exfoliating your skin. And that is worth $15. That's crazy expensive for a coffee scrub, where I can take the coffee grinds out of my percolator and probably do the same thing with a little coconut oil, but all right. All right, now we have a soothing coconut biocellulose eye mask. That looks like John Legend's wife. That looks like Christy Teigen. I don't know if that's her, but it looks like her. And this is a eye mask to smooth, nourish, and plump the skin. That is valued at $6. Okie doke. Then I got a peppermint foot mask. You had the choice, well, they had the choice of giving you either peppermint or lavender. I would have preferred lavender, but okay, not a bad deal. It's cooling and relaxing. It's like little socks that you slide up around your ankles. Okay, that is worth $10. And the last thing in my box is a lip and cheek balm. I really like that color. And it's pretty. This is actually why I got the box, because I saw this advertised and I'm like, wow, it looked like a nice color. This is, I mean, this will last me a long time. It's not, to me, I consider these minis, but this is worth $26. Wow. So you can use it on your lips or your cheeks. And this is kind of like a color that would flatter most people, I would think. It's a really nice color. So that's the whole Glossybox. I just, you know, like I said, I just got the one box because I wanted to use my credit. And maybe I will subscribe to them in the future, but right now I'm kind of putting a hold on a lot of subscriptions other than quilting. And I have to tell you what my favorite thing out of the box is the box. Yes, I love the box the best. Anyway, let me know your thoughts. Let's get to the giveaway. I am just doing a small giveaway because I really appreciate you guys so much. I appreciate my current subscribers. A lot of new people have been joining my channel, and I really, you know, that really just touches my heart. I dig it. And so this is a small beauty giveaway for subscribers, current subscribers, new subscribers. The only rules in the giveaway, it's really simple. This giveaway is open internationally and in the United States and Canada because I love you all. And I've purchased all these items with my own money. We'll ship them out with my own money. Not Facebook, YouTube has nothing to do with it. And the only rule is just comment below. You don't have to give me a secret word or a secret anything. Just comment below and tell me who you are, where you're from, and you know, just something about yourself or what you like about my channel, what you dislike about my channel, what you want to see me do on my channel. The comments are open for you. And the only other rule is you must have your subscription set to public so I can see that you are actually publicly subscribed to my channel because this is for the subscribers. Okay, the first thing in the giveaway is a really pretty cookie cutter. It's a star, very appropriate for the holiday season. And I received this in a try-as-on party that I am doing. So they sent me quite a few cookie cutters. So this is the first item. Second item is a waterless dry conditioner for your hair. I guess this would be a deluxe mini. And then I am giving away Strivectin moisturizing cream for your wrinkles and cellulite, which we don't have cellulite. It's just gracefully aging skin. So that. And this, I use these all the time. These are so much fun. These are very snappy hair. It's a hair bun. You put your hair in a bun. You don't need pins or anything, and you wrap it up, and your hair will look gorgeous. Trust me, it'll look gorgeous. So I use these all the time. A brand new NYX makeup brush, still in the package. It says professional makeup. It's a number 5, so this is more like for a blush, but I have the same one. I even use it like to sweep a lot of eyeshadow on my eyelids. A Celio Noir twist up eyeliner in black. Some hair products for wavy to curly hair by Curl Keeper. I did a video on these probably like 2 weeks ago. I love this product. You don't need to use heat to get some waves and curls. An Elemis cleansing balm. Yeah. Pro Collagen cleansing balm. Everything, of course, is unopened and unused. This makeup pouch. And an Anastasia by Beverly Hills palette. I have an extra. This is one of my favorite palettes. It's called Moonchild. The colors are just absolutely stunning. And they're sparkly. Still has the plastic on it. Getting a little glare here. but it is a gorgeous moon palette. And that is it. Just a small token of my appreciation to say thank you all for supporting my channel. It really means a lot to me, and I love interacting with you guys in the comments and doing, you know, just talking, getting to know some of you. So that is it. So I will pick the winner. Leave this open till like the 20th, I think. And I will pick someone from the random comment generator. I usually always do that live, so not live, I post the video of me picking it. So that's it. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and it's Friday. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Stay safe and stay healthy, and God bless. Bye-bye.